Okay, so stabilizer off, stabilizer on, safety's on. Hatch is on. I'm clipped in. We're ready for a sunset 6-minute flight. This thing is green. Our field is green. The trees are green. And when it gets low light and start to settle in low, this booger's hard to see green on green. So sometimes I'm just flying off that silver band on the motor. But here we go. Flight number 9. Very good takeoff. I like that takeoff. Boy, that plane just looks good in the air. Okay, right away, I'm just going to go into touch and goes. I'm kind of using my little park zone SEA 5 to help me out. Boy, it's a terrible turn. Okay, got a good setup. Let off the throttle. I got nose on the wind. Very gently take it in. Gently let it land. Nope, blow it off. It's funny that it wants the track left. So I've got to put a little bit of right rudder in my turns. In my landing here, I guess. Okay, coming in. Letting off the throttle. Easy greasy. Well, that's a wicked looking turn over there. Okay, I'm low and I'm good. Good, this will be a good one. Little bluff there, right rudder. Taking off, that's good. I'd like to do that in front of me instead of way down there. Bugs on my nose. Get away from me, bug. Okay. Mosquito on my ear. Gonna drain me dry. Oh, I'm stalled with that horrible flight here. Come on. Mosquito. Oh my goodness, he's gonna take my ear off. Whoa. Fly the plane. There we go. Finally, a nice touch and go. If I had a pilot figure, that would have been an awesome camera shot. I'm gonna get it up here. Get this stupid mosquito off my ear. Wow! Get some deep out here. A little more power on the turn. That's much better. And I'll let go of the rudder here. It didn't hook. That's a good shot. Down elevator. Reduce throttle. Reduce throttle. Pick it up. Too much. I don't like it. Go around. Horrible. Try it again. Keep on practicing. Practice. Good. Nice, slow turn. Even out, no hooking. Okay, it's good. A little bit of rudder again. Diminish the throttle. Ooh, a little bit of torque in those wheels. I don't like that. Full power up. About 50%. Okay. Now I'm just going to take a camera view, a slow pass here in the low setting sun. Beautiful shot of the 15-20 millimeter Hobby King Sopwith Camel. Is that cool or what, people? Wing strings. As soon as John gets through. Here we go. Oh. Okay. Here we go. Maybe we'll hear the wing strings here. Slipping. I don't know who that is. Can't see it. I'm not even going to look while I'm in the air. Just going to have to wait 2 minutes. Coming in. Cutting the throttle. Maintenance throttle. Throttle push, throttle push. No, 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 no. I didn't like that at all. That's the worst one I've done. Oh, that was poor. Very poor and close to the fence line. If I'm going to do that, I'd rather be out in the weeds. Okay, again. No hooking, steady, slow, bring her in. Got the wind on the nose. It should be just super easy to fly. Okay, here we go. Should be able to get this right in front of us here. Easy. There we go. That's it. That's a good one. Okay, that's my best one. So I put in a little bit of right rudder on that one. So I got to figure out why it wants to veer nose left on the touch and go. I don't understand that. The wind is not pushing me. There's no wind here to speak of. You're backing off the throttle, coming in low, establishing the sync rate. A little bit of down, a little bit of up. Oh, I'm sloppy. Nope, I'm gonna blow this one off. And there's no wind, it's a different story. No wind, I'm not used to it. Okay, I have to land, I've only got 40 seconds left. So here we go, this is full stop. And I want a nice pretty turn. The wind freshens up, no hooking. And I'm coming in with a good sync rate. Very nice, very slow, very good. Wings level. Ooh, had a bluff there, didn't we? Very nice. Okay, now I noticed that I've been flying on the stabilizer on in high throw, and that's, high rates. That's what was goofing me up. Okay. Beautiful. Now I don't understand why I don't have an audible countdown. So I will take the battery out and try to get that set up. Anyway, excellent flight. Botched a couple touch and goes. Had one good one and a reasonably good landing. So I'm getting more comfortable with it. Today's my first touch and goes. Very nice. As usual, I got throttle cut on. Here's the throttle cut is on. Means there's no throttle. And I always grab the plane with the stability off on the orange X.